A new gateway for global business is opening, and it's in the Philippines as the Asian African Chamber of Commerce and Industry establishes its foothold in the country and prepares for its first ever summit in Manila. We explore the opportunities waiting for Filipino MSMEs and investors.
Gusto ko makatulong because some investors really wanted to open a business here in the Philippines.
We are now open for business.
It is a signal to the world we are open for business.
Here's a new business bridge between continents. The Asian African Chamber of Commerce and Industry, or AACCI, has successfully established its first Philippines chapter and plans to hold a major summit in the country on February 13 to 14, 2026. With Asia-Africa trade and investment gaining momentum globally, AACCI gains its foothold in the Philippines for trade, capital, and expertise. But the big question, why just now and why the Philippines? To answer that, we're with AACCI's chapter head to dig into motives, expectations, and what it could mean for local business. Welcome, Ms. Sherlyn Solanoy, the Philippine chapter head of the Asian African Chamber of Commerce and Industry. How are you, Sherlyn?
I'm good, thank you.
We noticed, Ms. Sherlyn, that medyo mababa pa yung Philippine trade with Africa.
Yes.
The bilateral trade with individual African countries is small compared with major Asian partners. Of the African countries, based on our research, the Philippines trade most with South Africa with a trade balance of 43.4 million in 2023. So, kung titingnan mo daw po yung commerce between African countries and the Philippines, they are small compared with the US and of course the other Asian countries. Ito ba yung nag-motivate sa iyo, for you to set up the Philippines chapter, and what strategic advantages does the Philippines offer that led to this decision?
Yeah, we called Asian African Chamber of Commerce and Industry, but not only African right now. Actually, United Kingdom, Europe, and United States is already in our organization. And whole Asia going to invest here in the Philippines. Not only, and we are going to trade, like what you said, not only Africa. Gusto ko po talaga na dalahin yung mga investors dito sa Philippines. Gusto ko makatulong even though we are private sectors. Yung ano ko po na makatulong sa bansa natin ay naandoon po na bring all the investors because we are 162 countries po sa loob ng AACCI. 162 presidents chapter po itong organization. So every summit po, actually, we are going to have 220 delegates on February 13 and 14. And we have 5 major guests: Higher King of Saudi, Higher King of Myanmar, Higher King of Indonesia, Higher King of Nigeria, of course, from Africa, and the Prince of Dubai, and diplomats and ambassadors and investors inside of AACCI.
You also have your businesses, and that's the reason why, not only here in the Philippines, but also abroad. And that is the reason why you wanted to create this network, pagsamasamahin ng mga negosyante, para mahikayat ang mga negosyante na mag-invest dito sa Pilipinas. At alam naman natin pareho, Ms. Sherlyn, di ba, sa mga nangyayari sa bansa natin, bumababa yung kumpiyansa ng mga investors. Ano yung mga ginawa mo in the past, that inspired you to really pull your resources and your network to invite, this businessmen and investors?
Actually, they read my book story in Forbes, and they believe in my capability to handle 17 multiple businesses in 21 years. Dahil nga po sa grupo kami, nagsimula po ito sa Dubai nung nag-summit kami ng Future Billionaire Investor Summit po last October. And everybody is there. And then pinasalita nila ako kung paano ko sila mahikayat papunta ng Pilipinas to invest, of course, para patatagin yung ekonomiya beside sa mga napapanood nila sa media.
Pag ganun, Miss Sherlyn, like, I'm just interested to know, siyempre, when you pitch the Philippines, ano yung sinasabi mo? Kasi siyempre, marami silang hindi magandang nababalitaan sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
But how do you pitch the Philippines to the
Yes.
investors? Ano yung hina-highlight mo na katangian ng Pilipinas? Is it our talent, our
Yes.
natural resources?
Beaches, madami tayong beach dito sa Philippines. At saka madami tayong pwedeng i-offer sa kanila. Kung tutuusin, mayaman naman talaga po yung Pilipinas eh. I'm still proud. I'm proud of my country. Sobra po. Kaya nga, nandito ako eh. Para kahit pa paano I'm proud na dalahin dito yung 220 delegates.
Like say for example, yung iba kasi ang sabi nila, ang advantage nga natin maliban sa sinabi mo na natural resources, yung Filipino talent. So,
Yes.
pag magnegosyo sila dito, talagang ang Pilipino resilient siya at may kakayahan sila at we boast of our very young labor market.
Yes, sir.
Ano yung sinasabi mo pagdating sa katangian ng Filipino talent?
Masipag, very devoted sa trabaho. Kagaya nga ng sabi ko doon sa speech ko po nung nag-inauguration, we can offer jobs because some investors really wanted to open a business here in the Philippines. Kagaya po ng call center, di ba po? Manpower sa Philippines pero yung business sa ibang bansa. So, may mga ganun po na investors na gustong mag-ano dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya madami po tayong matutulungan. Magbigay din ng trabaho sa mga kapwa Pilipino. Madami din po. Napag-usapan din po namin yun.
How does AACCI foresee the Philippines fitting into the broader Asia-Africa trade and investment network? Does it mean the subcontinent more than the whole of Asia?
Lahat po. Mayroong United States, from United Kingdom, from Europe. Actually po, the ambassador of France and the ambassador of Germany is coming to visit us. Whole Asia po. Whole Asia, Africa, Europe, yan po yung nabuuan ng AACCI. Not only Asia and Africa.
Sa palagay mo and based on your discussions with businesses, ano yung mga pwedeng negosyo na pwedeng gawin between the Philippines and Africa na masasabi mo na ito yung pwedeng masimulan na project, di ba? Kasi siyempre pag magsasamit tayo, gusto natin after the summit, may mangyari eh. Oo,
Yes.
may nakikita na ba kayong opportunities para mapalawak ang pagninegosyo?
Yes, sir. We are having conversations about going to open a university here from Africa po.
Wow, yan na that's good news kasi siyempre ang importante din talaga education, di ba?
Yes.
I think in our community, there's a lot of
Yes.
Africans here who also learned how to speak Tagalog.
The founder of AACCI, he is one of the founder of this university. They opened it or built it in Africa. And then
So meron na ring
Yes.
university sa
Yes.
Africa.
Yes.
Can you mention the name of this?
They are going to expand it here in the United States po. Actually, Dr. Singh, the founder of the AACCI, he just sent me the proposal if I wanted to be the senate of the university
I see.
in the Africa because he really wanted to open here in the Philippines. Actually, a lot of business that he really wanted to put it here in the Philippines. And he told me personally that Manila, Philippines is his second family country po.
It's very diverse kasi you are involving Asians, Africans, Indians,
Yes.
Indian nationals,
Yes.
US, even English
Yes, po.
because some of your guests are from UK. So this one naman, what gaps or opportunities has AACCI identified in current Philippines-Africa relations that it hopes to address through its presence here? Of course, you mentioned na yung education, and that's the reason why you plan to establish a university. Meron pa bang iba na nakikita ka na opportunities or gaps where you can build that relationship? Kasi, di ba, ang balita din sa media, di ba, talagang mahirap
Ang Africa.
Ang Africa.
Yes.
So parang isa yan sa, even in our
Poor,
community,
yes.
isa yan sa tinutulungan. So may mga projects ba kayo na ganon, opportunities on the alleviation of poverty?
We are going to tackle in summit po.
So ano-ano pa ba yung mga specific topics dun sa summit?
How to help Philippines po na makabangon. Nung nag-summit nga po kami sa Dubai, yun talaga yung sinulong ko sa kanila. Kasi heart ko talaga is in the Philippines. I'm sad sa nangyayari.
The summit on February 13 to 14 is being billed as the first of its kind in the Philippines. Ibig sabihin, kauna-unahan to, and that's the reason why you are creating this milestone. What are the concrete goals of this summit in terms of trade leads, partnerships, investment pledges, or education exchanges?
Ang nakikita ko po dito is napakalaking project po na mabibigay namin sa Philippines po talaga, dito sa bansa natin. Lahat po kasi ng, especially yung mga nabanggit ko kanina, yung mga higher kings po and the prince, sinabi nga po nila kay Dr. Sin at sa akin na willing silang mag-help sa Philippines ng kung ano ang pwedeng itackle sa loob ng summit sa 13-14, kung ano ang magandang i-ano dito sa Pilipinas na tulong po.
Since you are very proud as a Filipina, instead of relying with the government, but you initiate this private sector initiative,
Yes.
di ba? Na parang, puro tayo reklamo, ito ako, gumagawa ako. Parang
Yes po.
ganon.
Yes
Is
po.
that your motivation?
Yun po talaga, yung motivation ko. Actually, kasi nagbabayad din naman ako ng tax, di ba po? So, kasi kung problema na yan, problemahin pa natin, wala tayong magagawa. So, gawin na lang natin, gumawa tayo ng sarili natin na kung paano tayo makatulong sa mga mamayan, especially sa mga naapektuhan ng bagyo po. Itong mga unseen disaster, doon tayo mag-focus. Itong mga mahihirap, maraming hindi nakakapag-aral, madami tayong bigyan ng scholarships. Yan po. Tapos yung mga batang street children, maraming hindi nakakakain. Kung patuloy lang tayong doon sa problema tumutok, tapos wala namang nangyayari
Solution.
kung paano masolusyonan yung problema na yun, tayo na lang ang magsolusyon para tumulong sa kapwa natin Pilipino.
Well said, Miss Sherlyn. At least meron tayong mga kababaihang katulad mo na somehow nakakapag-isip ng ganyan. How will AACCI support local MSMEs, exporters, and the like para magkaroon din ng collaboration with African partners? Kasi siyempre, marami din gustong magnegosyo, di ba, na maliliit. So, paano makakabigay ng suporta ang AACCI sa mga maliliit na negosyante?
Isa din po yan, itatakal din po namin sa summit, kung paano kami makapagbigay sa mga Pilipino na gustong magsimula sa maliit na kapital po.
Halimbawa, kung ikaw ang tatanungin, Miss Sherlyn, kunyari bibigyan ka ng kapital, ano ba ang negosyong pwedeng maitayo ng mga kapwa natin Pilipino?
Doon tayo sa maliit ang kapital, pero yung profit na balik sa'yo is maayos, kagaya po ng tapsilog. Halimbawa lang ha, halimbawa lang pa.
oo.
Pero ako po kasi yung unang pinasok ko na business is lending.
Dahil yun ang napasok mo, a lot of Filipinos, a lot of small business owners, yun talaga ang kailangan nila, yung access to credit, di ba?
Yes, opo. Story ng life ko, galing ako sa wala. Natutulog ako sa karton, as in sa box. Yes po, natutulog ako 3 nights, consecutive 3 nights na hindi nakakain. So, wala akong pambayad sa renta kung magsimula ako ng tindahan or what. Wala talaga, as in. So, 15,000 pesos. Yun, nag-start po ako. Sabi ko,
ganda ng istorya
pautang
mo.
ko na lang.
Oo.
At saka, sir, inutang ko pa yun.
So, kumbaga, parang ang istorya mo, parang naghirap ka. So,
Opo.
naranasan mo yung mga ganung
And I'm proud
Oo.
na ikwento ko yun.
Which is a good story, di ba?
Nasa story po yun ng Forbes.
Oo.
They're going to launch it. And Dr. Singh going to write my books also.
Okay. So, in short, like say, going back, poverty is not unfamiliar to you because you experienced it yourself. So, natulog ka, di ka kumain, and
Yes
then
po.
may pera ka, 15,000. Pero medyo kakaiba yung ginawa mo, ha? Kasi sa halip na itayo yun sa negosyo, ipinautang mo. Anong nangyari? Sige, let's go back to that. Okay, nung ipinautang mo, what happened?
After 3 years, medyo lumaki po siya. And then, ako yung collector, andito yung anak ko, kasi bata pa ako nagkaanak.
Okay.
After 3 years, naging okay, nagtayo naman ako ng manpower. Manpower
Okay.
po, locally lang, to deploy employee dito sa mga kumpanya, dito lang sa Pilipinas.
So what kind of manpower? Are they from the utility or
Yes po.
construction, mga ganun? O
Opo.
iba-iba din?
Opo, iba-iba din. May sales lady, Opo, pero yun, tinigil ko po yun kasi masyadong mahirap. Kasi hindi mo hawak kung ano ugali ng mga nadideploy mo.
Siyempre, hanggat maaari, parang you want to maintain your integrity and
Yes.
credibility.
Yes.
So parang feeling mo, naku, hindi ito para sa akin.
Hindi.
From lending, you went to manpower. What was next?
Salon.
Ay, bagay sa'yo yan. Kasi pretty kayo. O, ano na mangyari sa salon? I think you have in the US and you also have here in
Yes,
the
I have
Philippines.
6 branches here in the Philippines po. Pero before the pandemic, may nagsabi na sa akin na magko-close ang Philippines
Okay.
dahil sa pandemic. So, binenta ko po. Nabenta ko lahat yung 6.
Partnerships carry risks. So, my question is, ano yung common risks that Philippine-based businesses should be aware of? Magandang sinabi mo na pag medyo alam mo na may mangyayari, 'di ba? Parang madali ka mag-shift.
Yeah.
Ano pa yung naiisip mo ng mga risks na dapat alam gawin ng mga negosyante?
Yan din yung question sa akin globally. Kasi they keep asking me, anong ginagawa ko? Paano ko na-handle yung business? Kasi iba-iba. Especially po sa Amerika at dito din sa atin, seasonal, di ba? May tag-ulan, may tag-init. Ganon din sa
Pero
sa
at least tayo
Amerika.
dito dalawa lang. Tag-araw at tag-baha. Sila, di ba? 4
Opo.
sila, di ba? Ang dami.
Oo. So ngayon, yung tinatayo kong negosyo ay by season.
Which is good. Ganun pala.
Opo,
Oo.
para ngayong season, yung isang business mababa, hindi niya season. At least itong isang business na for this season, maaangat din niya itong isa, matutulungan niya din. So, yun ang ginagawa ko po. Yun ang technique ko sa business.
Yan, magandang learning yon. After that naman, when you sold your business, that salon, di ba? What was your next step? Meron ka bang businesses din na itinayo during the pandemic?
School. Actually, nag-open na kami ng learning school 2018, before the pandemic. So, online. Dun lumakas ang school naman.
Wow.
Yes, sa
Oo.
online po.
So, kumbaga parang, again, na-address mo yung one of the unexpected happenings,
Yes,
di ba?
po.
Na parang, and you capitalized on that. Pero, in your experience, paano mo nasisigurado kung saang negosyo ka papasok?
Based in my experience at saka kung ano yung nasa heart mo. Pero yung school po kasi, I have 3 sisters na teachers lahat.
Okay.
And my sister, dream niyang magkaroon ng school. Tinayo ko po siya. Okay. Sean Alexia Learning Center and WizKids.
So, ito, parang ano yung target market niya na age?
K-12.
After the pandemic na, what happened? What were your next moves?
Nag-open ako ulit ng salon.
I see.
Yes.
So, doon mo na binalikan.
Yes po.
I see. Pero sa kwentuhan naman natin, Miss Sherlyn, parang you said you have other businesses in the US. Parang paano naman nakarating ang pagninegosyo mo sa Estados Unidos?
I have a friend. Tapos, syempre, siya ang may puhunan, may kapital, utak ang ginamit ko. Akin yung utak, kanya yung financial. So, nag-collaborate po kami and 50-50 after the expenses. Sobrang importante po ang collaboration. Kasi, kagaya nga, sa base sa experience ko, wala akong kapital. Pero may kakayahan naman ako how to handle the business. So, yun po yung sinimula ko sa Amerika. So, kagaya din dito, I'm bringing the investors here in the Philippines. So, atin yung manpower, jobs, makabigay tayo ng trabaho.
So, parehong makikinabang doon.
Opo.
Is this the principle also behind AACCI na may mga industries kayo na matutulungan? Agriculture halimbawa, manufacturing, services, or education. May mga pinipili na ba kayong mga sektor na pwedeng matulungan pagdating ng summit?
Opo, nasa pag-uusap na din po namin. Kasi 'di ba po may foundation din ako para po sa mga bata at saka sa mga mga matatanda. Doon po kami nagfo-focus na magtulong At saka scholarship po talaga. Gusto ko po kasi yun inano ko sa mga investors na gusto ko madaming Pilipino ang mapag-aral. Kasi po, madaming matatalinong Pilipino, kulang lang ang budget para makapag-aral, makapagtapos.
Is there an instance that inspired you to pursue, this passion on providing scholarship? Do you have an experience where you prove na kailangan talaga ang edukasyon?
Kasi po, lumaki kami sa wala. Laging sinasabi ng mama ko na ito lang yung mapapamana namin sa inyo. Kahit wala nga sinisikap kaming mapatapos. At saka nung mga panahon po, sir, way back, nag-iisa yung anak ko na hindi nakapag-exam kasi hindi ako nakabayad ng school. Napakasakit sa akin. Kaya sabi ko, pag ako naging successful, magpapatayo ako ng school and I'm going to have a lot of scholars. So doon ako nakafocus. Kasi until now, nandito pa din yung heart sa akin.
May inaay ba kayo na parang anong lugar sa Africa mas marami tayong magagawan ng pagninegosyo or collaboration?
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yes.
Bakit Nigeria?
Kasi the hierarchy of Nigeria is our member po sa AACCI and he gonna be here on the summit.
Are the attendees aligned, with the objectives of the summit? So, siyempre yung iba dyan, pupunta
Business.
lang because business,
Yes.
di ba? Pero in your case, di ba, parang somehow I sense that you also, put heart into what you do, di ba? So, what are their expectations? Yung mga attendees na sasabi mo, that's about 200?
220.
220.
Yes.
And I hope Net 25 Open for Business will cover that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Sige, go ahead. Ano yung expectations nila aside from business opportunities that they can provide? There are also ways to help.
Yes.
Maybe. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, that's the reason why they choose me because I have my own foundation. ACCI is not only for business.
Okay.
Yeah, they really want to help every country that needed help from our organizations po. So, ang summit po is business to business. Yeah, collaborations para sa ekonomiya din ng Pilipinas, sa pagtulong din sa mamamayan ng Pilipino po.
Siyempre, pag sinabi mong pagtulong, Ms. Sherlyn, napansin ko din sa mga bisita ko dito, they choose specific advocacies, di ba? Kasi hindi mo naman matutulungan lahat, di ba?
Yes, yes.
So may sektor ka. Ikaw, ano yung favorite mo na tulungan?
Dalawa po, education and health.
Education and health. Na kailangan.
Yes.
Pero bakit?
Kasi po, madami tayong single mom na hindi napapag-aral yung mga bata. May mga single mom na hindi kayang ipagamot yung mga anak nila. So, and dahil isang single mom din ako, yung heart ko ay nasa kanila.
At sa edukasyon naman, ganun din.
Yes
Sabi mo
po.
nga, yung anak mo lang ang hindi nakapag-exam ba yun?
Yes.
Dahil hindi ka nakabayad. This is a very, very good story kasi siyempre parang ikaw, Ms. Sherlyn, you're emotional but this, I think, made you strong, di
Yes.
ba? Kung babalikan mo ba yung buhay mo, parang ganun, what is it that you would want to change? Or parang do you think it was really part of your journey for you to be able to reach where and who you are now?
Gusto kong balikan ang nakaraan kasi madami pong alaala para sa akin. Sobrang saya po. Hindi po na porket eto na ang life ko ngayon, hindi po. Mas masaya pa rin ang noon na buhay. Kahit walang pera, masaya. Sabi ko nga, sir, akala ko noon, nung wala akong pera, akala ko pera makapagpapasaya sa akin. Kasi sabi ko, siguro pag may pera na ako, sobrang saya ko na. Pero ngayon ko lang na-realize na hindi pala pera makapagpasaya sa akin, kundi love po. Kasi namatay yung mother ko na hindi ko siya nakita. So, parang every achievement po na na-achieve ko, parang kulang po siya kasi wala ang mother ko.
Bakit hindi mo siya nakita? No?
Kasi nasa US po ako Tapos that time po, bagong bukas lang yung negosyo ko. Tapos may sakit ako. Ako ang breadwinner. So, sacrifice. Lagi kami nag-New Year na walang handa. Sabi ko sa kanya, balang araw hindi na namin mararanasan to. Kasi promise ko po sa kanya na pinapalakpakan ako sa stage. Yung nakikilala ako sa buong mundo. Yun talaga yung goal ko noon, sir. Pero hindi ko ini-expect na mangyayari po to. na syempre nakikilala ako globally na po kasi we are 162 countries na president sa AACCI. So lahat kaming presidente ng AACCI na 162 very close kami. So syempre, hindi ko to ine-expect kasi galing ako sa wala. Sino ba naman ako? Di ba po? So thankful ako to Dr. Singh po. And sa mga ambassadors and diplomats and the Prince of Dubai, thank you, sir. And sa Higher King na Nigeria, thank you, sir. Kasi ako po yung napili. Big opportunity din po na pagkatiwalaan tayo ng China at Hong Kong na Filipina ang magiging president din sa bansa nila. So, proud din po ako dun, sir.
Wow, that was very beautiful. I'm sorry, Sherlyn, to make you cry, but it's a good tribute to your mother. So, not everyone are given that opportunity to be who they are now, because of the hardships. And the best way to give a tribute to your loved one is to see the success of your endeavors. Para sa mga negosyante ngayon na nakikinig, ano yung maipapayo mo talaga din sa kanila na, kasi I believe, Ms. Sherlyn, you had a lot of heartaches, di ba? You had a lot of difficulties, but somehow you seem to survive them all. As a matter of fact, di ba? Parang here you are, looping businessmen together, creating a summit, di ba? That's going to happen in February. So ano yung mga hugot mo? Ano yung mga mapapayo mo sa mga negosyante? Kasi hindi lang ikaw ang nakaranas ng mga difficulties na yan.
Based on my experience, gawin yung motivation. Kung ano man yung nangyayari sa business nyo, mag-isip kung ano yung kasunod na gagawin nyo. Dapat may plan A and plan B kayo. Huwag kayong magtutok sa plan A lang. Lalo pat alam nyo na mapupunta lang sa hindi maganda yung na situation ang business nyo. Always have a plan B palagi po. At don't give up. Huwag kayong sumuko. Kasi pag sumuko kayo, tayo ang talo dyan. Lahat naman ng business is hindi agad-agad ay kikita. So dapat nakafocus ka sa goal mo. Ano ba yung goal mo sa life mo? Ano yung goal mo sa business mo? So kung ano yung goal mo sa buhay mo na mangyari, doon ka tumutok at yun ang gawin mong experience.
Ano ang mangyayari sa February 13 to 14, if you can invite our viewers to attend, and where can they find details about the summit?
February 13 and 14, we're going to have a summit here in the Philippines. Marami po tayong delegates, 220 delegates from different countries, especially the Higher King of Myanmar, Higher King of Indonesia, Higher King of Nigeria, Higher King of Saudi, and the Prince of Dubai, diplomats and ambassadors from different countries, and investors. February 13, we will be in the peak, Hyatt po. Collaborations, connections, business to business, exchanging calling cards. Invited po, mga negosyante, welcome po kayo na umattend sa amin. And then February 14, dun po pag-usapan, buuin kung ano ang maitutulong ng iba't ibang bansa dito sa ating bansa ng Pilipinas at paano papatatagin ang ekonomiya dito sa ating bansa.
And if they would like to learn more about you and AACCI, do you have a website or a Facebook page?
Yes, we have AACCI, Asian African Chamber of Commerce Industry sa Facebook po yan. And may website din po kami.
Tonight, we cross 2 continents in one story. From bustling Asian factories to Africa's resource-rich markets, trade that once flowed one way is rewiring itself, and the Philippines is strategically in. I'm Marco Ramos, taking you to the inauguration of the Philippine chapter of the Asian African Chamber of Commerce and Industry, where business, leaders, investors, and educators are pitching partnerships that could reshape supply chains, student exchange programs, and infrastructure deals across thousands of miles.
Our mission for the first 12 months in the country is to bring tourism in different countries to the Philippines, help our government. We are going to bring a lot of investors here in the Philippines. Especially right now, what's happening in our country. I want to collaborate with the government, different investors, diplomats, ambassadors to help Filipino people. Actually, we are 162 countries right now. 162 countries going to help Philippines. They are coming here. We have a summit and we have 220 delegates from different countries.
First of all, I would like to thank the President of AACI, Ms. Sherlyn Solanoy, for inviting me on behalf of Golden Icons. They believe that having a partnership with Golden Icons will help this organization to flourish. As you can see, Golden Icons is an organization wherein we are recognizing outstanding leaders and organizations in our country, and we believe that having a partnership with AACI and Golden Icons will open corridors not just economically but humanitarian partnerships. We believe that the government will support this organization. We believe as well that this will entice more businessmen for the benefit of our economy. We are very positive that having this AACI will add up to the improvement of our economy.
It's just like a dream coming true, and I think we really enjoyed. We had some good interaction, I think, with the mayor and also with the undersecretary, and everybody has encouraged the movement. And I think today is going to be a milestone. I think in times to come you will witness, of course, is our mission to bridge the gap between Asia and Africa. My mission and vision remains strongly the same, that we want to collaborate with SMEs and MSMEs in order to open door and corridor for their exports, for their imports, or whether it is trading, whether it is helping them in terms of training. So it's like we will be doing a mix of work, like we'll be taking delegations to Asia and Africa. We will also be identifying areas and opportunities where we can bring in inward revenue. So I think in the first year we want to plan trade missions. We want to join hands with the government to promote their agenda in terms of building the SMEs and giving them a boost. Because I think when you talk about SMEs and MSMEs, these are the right kind of audience which needs the most boost, because they don't have funds, then they have infrastructure issue, or they have logistics issue. So I think as a Chamber of Commerce, we are a one-shot platform for them where they can come, they can ask for any kind of help, and we would love to support them and guide them in the mission ahead. Primarily our goal is to see that when you talk about the growth of Philippines, it will happen when we can give more jobs and when we can do youth empowerment and women empowerment as well. So I think primarily my chapter president being a woman herself and strongly supporting human rights and women empowerment, it makes great sense for us to ensure that we are doing something for the women, especially to make them independent and to make them individually stand in the society, and of course the youth. I think behind any successful economy there stands youth. So unless and until we give them empowerment, we give them motivation, and we give them strong opportunities to grow, so I think this would be primarily our growth. We want Philippine market to grow, and we want the trade to be more. So in order for us to cater to the trade deficit, or maybe to double up the digits in times to come, the only request which I would have is to have the right kind of support from the like-minded business people to join hands, come with us together to make this journey more successful. Because I think primarily unless and until the business people or the business houses will come to us and would like to participate in delegation and to come and see what is going around in the developed countries, then they can replicate the model similarly here in Philippines to make the economy more stronger. So I think for us to replicate any model or to try and copy paste, in other words, we will have to learn and we will have to be open for collaboration. So I think collaboration is the key, and I think we are ready, because we can take them to the developed Asian countries also, like you can say Singapore, Malaysia and other regions. I think for me this would be the key. Whenever you talk about prioritizing, we actually cater to almost like 55 different categories, but among them I think education is one thing which I believe we're targeting, then healthcare, tourism, And then I think trading, because general trading is something which is very common everywhere, because Philippines is also full of resources and minerals, and I think we have heard about gold mines also here, and silver also coming in from Philippines. So that also makes what you call land and soil more popular. And I think probably bringing in new technology, AI, machine learning, IT, I think this would be a key thing wherein I think you can see a lot of opportunities coming in. So AACCI, through its training and the collaboration with the multinational companies abroad, we will try to bridge the gap, and we'll try to see how exactly we can empower the SMEs and MSMEs, because those who really pump in a great effort, and in order to see that their challenges they overcome, and then they are more smarter to achieve their goals, I think we will have to give them support in terms of giving them funding at times, and also giving them proper training and the know-hows. So I think these are all efforts which we'll be doing through series of programs, whether it is webinars or whether it is seminars or events or maybe summits. You will see them coming in all across Philippines very soon.
Our biz word of the week is quick win. A quick win refers to a project that is easy to complete or a sale that is easy to make. Management can encourage quick wins to boost employee morale. As the Philippines chapter of AACCI takes shape, the coming months could be pivotal, whether it's trade, investment, or cross-continental partnerships. The upcoming summit's success may signal how deep and wide Asia-Africa commerce can grow through Manila. But like any venture, the proof will be in follow-through, not just announcements. For now, expectations are high, and many in business are watching closely. And with that, our quote of the week is from Nicky Oppenheimer. He said, "I am a great believer that if you know how to operate in Africa, there are unbelievable opportunities." Maraming salamat sa iyo, Cheryl. Maraming salamat sa isang oras sa pagsama sa amin upang tunghayan ang isang makabuluhang usapan ukol sa negosyo dito lang sa Open for Business. Hanggang sa susunod na linggo, samahan nyo kaming muli dito sa Open for Business. Catch us too on Facebook and YouTube. Like and subscribe on our social media page at Net25TV. We will bring you more insights from industry experts, thought leaders, CEOs, and featured SMEs. Together, let us help encourage business development in the Philippines. Sharpen your business acumen, feel the pulse, and set the trend for as long as you're informed and open for business. Ito po si Cesar Vallejos. Maraming salamat.